In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms with Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to enhance team collaboration and streamline your workflow by integrating useful tools directly into your Teams platform. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Make sure you're logged in with your account that has the necessary permissions, as modifying team settings often requires appropriate access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Teams section on the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a list of all your current teams and channels. Now, locate and select the specific team and channel where you want to add a form. This ensures that the form is accessible to the right group of people within your organization. After deciding on the appropriate channel, you'll want to add a new tab. To do this, look at the top of the channel window. You should see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click this plus sign to open a menu that allows you to add additional apps or tools. When the menu appears, use the search bar to type in Forms. This will filter the available apps, making it easy for you to find the Microsoft Forms app. Once it appears, simply select it to start the integration process. Next, you'll be prompted with a few options. This section is where you can choose whether you want to create a new form or add an existing one. Make your selection based on your needs. Whether you are conducting a survey, a quiz, or any form of data collection, choosing the right option here is crucial. After selecting your preferred option, you need to name your tab. This will be the label that appears at the top of your channel, so choose a clear and descriptive name that will be intuitive for everyone in the team. With your tab named, go ahead and click Save to add the tab to your channel. This incorporates forms into the channel, making it easily accessible to all team members. Now, it's time to build the form itself. Use the intuitive, user-friendly editor to create the form that suits your needs. You can add questions, select the type of responses you want to collect, and customize the form to align with your intended purpose. With the basic form setup, the next step is to enhance its appearance. Click on Style to choose a background or theme that fits your form's purpose or your team's branding. This is a quick and easy way to make your form more visually appealing, which can help in engaging the respondents. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to click on Preview. This option allows you to see exactly how the form will look when it's presented to your team. Reviewing the form's design and functionality from a user perspective is crucial to ensure clarity and engagement. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Present to deploy the form to your team. This step makes the form available for interaction within your chosen channel, allowing your team to start providing their input or responses. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to deploy and use forms within Microsoft Teams, enhancing how your team collaborates and gathers information. Remember, the key to successful integration is clarity and accessibility, ensuring your team knows where to find and how to use the tools available to them.